Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, as you know, we are studying the art and different cultures, paintings in the Mughal period. Yesterday we have studied the art and culture that is established in the Mughal period. Then it is development of miniature paintings. Miniature are the small sized. Miniature means small sized paintings generally done with watercolors on cloth or paper. The art of miniature painting was patronized by the Mughal emperors, but after the downfall of the Mughal Empire, the painters moved to the regional centers where it was developed as a regional art. Regional courts of Deccan and Rajputs were adorned by miniature style. The Himalayan region was also influenced by this style of painting till the late 17th century. This region had developed a bold and intense style of miniature painting known as the Basholi. Himalayan region painting was known as the Basholi in the 17th century. Most popular texts which were painted here was Banu Dutas, Rasmangiri. With the influence of Nadir Shah's invasion in Delhi in 1739 CE, many artists migrated to this region where they found patrons. Then we have the development in the field of music. Classical music has been a major force in India's cultural unity, both in vocal and instrumental music. Vocal means that comes through the mouth. Two main classical styles have evolved, Hindustani and Carnatic. These two styles have many things in common and each has a variety of forms. Besides classical music, Indian people have also developed a rich tradition of folk music. The Hindustani school had its own style of singing. The main forms of classical renditions in Hindustani music are Dropad, Dumar, Khayal, Tumari, Dadra, and Thapa. In Carnatic music, kirtis of the musical trinity of the Purandasazas. Forms from the 8th to 12th century, the Rajput rulers of the north and Cholas of the south were great patrons of music and dance. The large number of Nataraja, dancing Shiva, Nataraja means dancing Shiva, indicate that the people of early medieval period were fond of the music. In the Sultanate period, the art of music made progress during the Sultanate period. The classical Hindustani style of music developed due to the influence of Persian and Arabic music. The Sufi saints made the Persian music in the chorus singing called Qawwalis. They used the sitar, sarangi, and tabla. In the Mughal period, 1526 to 1707, the Mughal rulers, except Aurangzeb, were great lovers of music. Without Aurangzeb, all the Mughal rulers were great lovers and patrons of the music. Akbar himself was a skilled musician and patronized all who were well versed in music. Mian Tansin was the most डिस्टिंग्विश्ड म्यूजिशियन ऑफ अकबर्स कोर्ट. तो अकबर की कोर्ट में मियाँ तनसीन एक बहुत बड़ा म्यूजिशियन था. He enriched the Hindustani school of music by introducing several innovations in the style in which many ragas. One of the most popular of these was Raga Darbari, which some people say Tansen composed especially for Akbar. Akbar के लिए Tansen ने ये बनाया था राग दरबारी. और इसके साथ साथ the other famous musicians of his court were Baba Ramdas, Biju Baura, and Surdas. Music became a composite of Indian and Persian style. Various new styles of music like Qawwali, Khayal, Tumari, and Ghazal were developed during this period. Development in the field of the dance. Indian dance has also developed a rich classical tradition. It has become a medium for the expression of emotions, especially in drama and storytelling, as Kathak. The development of Indian dance can be traced back to the temple sculptures of ancient and medieval times. The popular image of Shiva in the form of Nataraja, the king of dancers, symbolizes the influence of this art form on the lives of Indian people. Some styles of classical dances are Odissi, Kathakali, Kuchapudi, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Sitaria, Mohiniyattam, and Manipuri. Then it is story of Kathak. The word Kathak was derived from the word Katha, which is used in Sanskrit and other languages for story. Kathas were a group of storytellers in temples of North India who used to perform with gestures and songs. Kathak started to evolve into the different mode of dance from the 15th to 16th centuries. Then it was spread to various regions of northern India, including Punjab, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. This is all about the